Tomorrow is the earning for AMC pre-market. What's gonna be, guys? Last Friday we have a pullback, almost 6%. Is this a game plan for the market maker to buy cheaper price for AMC before the earnings, or what? Because the volume is increasing, almost 50 million worth of volume last Friday. And of course, we have discussed GameStop. Of course, we might have a similar reaction and jumping up after AMC earnings. And of course, remember our content always for educational purposes only before we go further to discuss the price action for tomorrow. And of course, tomorrow we're going to discuss the market in depth on our Discord and Bitcoin, like what we did for Baya, the stock that squeezed yesterday after hours before even the market closed yesterday. As you can see here, we have a huge jump for it after we did the update for it, and it closed around the $5.50, and the update that we did before the close, it was around the $4.46. Huge jump for Baya, one of the top stocks that we traded last week. Anyway, so let us discuss AMC, guys. This is the main event for tomorrow. And of course, we pulled back lately. Last price that we did last Wednesday, we got near the squeeze zone around the $2.23, and we pulled back now. However, we still over this accumulation zone that we did at the beginning or the last week around the 8th of July. We have a huge accumulation for 1 week. We push up for the end of last week, then we pulled back on Friday. So technically, we're still above the price that we jumped over on last Tuesday, last week. So technically, the big buyer that entered around Tuesday, 14th of July, is still there and still holding the price up for AMC. So what we should is back trade now. As you can see here from the estimate for the AMC earnings, last earnings, we beat the estimate by 35% up. And now we have a huge estimation, guys. This is the first time since back in 11th of August in 2025. We have the estimate here for the earnings. Right now we have over that. We kind of anticipating a positive earning, guys. This is a huge for AMC because every time we have a negative earnings, even the estimate for the last August on the last year in 2025, almost 1 year from now, we have the estimate of negative for the earnings, of course. But now it is on the positive side, 0.004. Yes, it's a little, but at least isn't positive. So guys, every time when we have a stock going from the negative to the positive, we have a huge reaction from the from the market maker, from the whole investors, because this is show us that that fundamental had changed and something fundamentally changed. And of course, going from the negative into positive, this would be a good indication for the stock getting stronger in the projection for the future. As everybody knows, the market move, or even the stock move and projection of the future, even though no, now the market is down or the fundamental is still negative, but the most important for the earnings is the futures projection. And of course, the change from the negative to positive is a big turning point for any stock. So this is since 1 year, as we said before, we don't have an estimate of any for AMC to go to the positive side. But this is the same. It could be negative because if the earnings were negative or not as expected, we might have a pullback. So right now is kind of not in between. We need a huge expectation. Turning point for the earnings is more than positive side in order to break the $2.23 and squeeze higher for AMC and go almost 30 or 50% around the $3. This will be the best case scenario, is breaking or gapping up tomorrow in pre-market before the market open for AMC over the $2.23. And of course, GameStop might do the same and follow this, even though the earnings still a bit far from now, almost 2 months, but we might have the same similar reaction because as we discussed before, a lot of holders of AMC holding GameStop, and this might trigger a jump up for GameStop. And the trigger should be noticeable once we break the 23 barrier for GameStop. Is mean something or someone buying GameStop as well with AMC. But the main event tomorrow is in pre-market. Watch out for the $2.23 and the $1.61 because we are between a huge buyer and a huge seller. The huge buyer is right now around the $2.23. The huge seller is around the 161. But you can think of it the opposite way because here we got a huge seller. I'm saying a huge buyer because if we broke the $2.23, this will confirm that the buyer won over the seller and we're going to have a squeeze toward the tree. I'm saying here the huge seller, we could say a huge buyer. If the price hold over the 160, yes, we have a huge buyer. But if we broke the 160, is mean we got a huge seller and the buyer lost their position here around the 161. And of course, we're going to see a break for this support and go toward the 125. That's why I recommend for you guys to put a notification around the $2.23 and $1.61 to confirm either squeeze up or squeeze down for the earnings. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, what you think about the earning. Are we going to have a breakout over the $2.23 or are we going to have a breakdown below the $1.61? This is the only two reaction that we should see, either up or down. In between, I doubt it because we have huge estimated this time for AMC for this earnings toward the positive from the negative. If we turn like a little bit below, then still in negative, we might have no reaction. Maybe we'll consolidate sideways if we are in negative, but not too far. If we went over the positive for the earning estimate and it's not too much in positive, we might have the same reaction, go up around the $2.23 and go down. So there's almost four reaction, but the best two reaction, either up or down, to confirm at least where to buy. Even if we pull back from the $1.61, we might have a good opportunity to buy the dip for a faster reaction to buy the dip for. But for now, we only have two reaction, either breaking the $2.23 for a squeeze or breaking the 161 for a huge flush down. But right now, we're still holding 194, and we still have a good estimate, and a lot of analysts have a good positive earning expectation. And of course, the yearly price target, as you can see, is around the $21 or 21% up, or around or over the $2.23 or around the $2.35 here. So this is a really good estimate and a good projection for the price for the fundamental and the technical side. So we're gonna keep you updated, guys, for AMC, but on one condition: once you be subscribed and put a notification on in order to be notified once we go live tomorrow, and of course before the market open by 15 minutes. So make sure to tune in because we're going to discuss AMC live. Huge action tomorrow, guys, so don't miss out on this opportunity for trading AMC for tomorrow. See you all back by tomorrow. Have a nice weekend. And of course, we're going to do update before that on our Discord, and be tuned as usual for the pre-market watch list and pre-market, of course, alert and update for the chart for AMC and mini stocks like Bayer that we did really interesting trade last week on Friday. Thank you for watching, everybody, and see you all back by tomorrow.